Wassup, the casual hello of English. Hey there, welcome to another English language learning video. Today, we'll be diving into a very popular and informal greeting, Wassup. Let's discover its meaning, origin, and how to use it in conversations. Wassup is a slang term, and it's a contraction of the words, what's up? When someone asks you, what's up? They're generally not asking about what's physically above you. Instead, they're asking, how are you? What are you doing? What's happening? It's a casual way of saying hello or checking in on someone's well-being. The term, wassup, gained popularity in the late 1990s and early 2000s, especially with the rise of urban culture and media. It's widely used in movies, music, and general conversation among friends. Usage examples: 1. Two friends meet at a park. One says, "Hey, what's up?" The other replies, "Not much. Just enjoying the day." 2. You answer the phone and hear, "What's up? How've you been?" 3. At a party, someone approaches you and says, "What's up? Having fun?" Even though wassup is widely recognized, it's crucial to understand when to use it. Casual settings. Wassup is best used among friends or peers in informal situations. Age matters. It's more commonly used among younger people. Although older generations might understand it, they might not use it as frequently. Avoid formal situations. It's not appropriate for formal settings or conversations, such as job interviews or when speaking with superiors at work. Wassup is a fun and informal way to greet friends and check in on their well-being. While it's a staple of casual conversations among younger people, remember its context and avoid using it in formal settings. We hope you found this explainer helpful, and the next time someone says, "What's up?" you'll know just how to respond. Happy chatting!